Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is going to be how to do your eyeliner. Pretty quick and easy. I promise you guys it'll take 3 minutes about each eye. Two main things you will need to complete a good eyeliner, straight, long, pointy, is Fly Liner by Fenty Beauty or any liquid eyeliner that you guys prefer. This is my preference. If you guys don't want to use it, go ahead and grab another one. And wipies. I will explain in a bit why you need these wipies, but these are essential to complete a perfect winged eyeliner, okay? So if you guys want to see how I created this eye look, the perfect winged eyeliner, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and go into the Becky G Salvaje palette with ColourPop, and I'm going to go in with a Morphe M441 brush, just a normal blending brush. I'm going to go into Caramelo. And for my eyeshadow, it's not going to be too crazy because I just want the liner to stand out. So I'm going to go ahead and just work that into my crease. Just so that there's a base color. By the way, I already did my eyebrows and primed my eyes just with concealer. And I set it with translucent powder. And this is just to add like a light color so that you're able to see the definition within my crease. Making sure Caramelo's blended out nicely and evenly. Now with the Morphe M456, I'm going to go into Cafecito, lightly pat it in there to add some more definition, and I'm going to go ahead and just put that here on my outer crease and blend it in just to the outer V of my eye so that there's for sure definition. I'm not going to go all the way in, I'm just going to go right here, patting that in. It's going to be slightly messy, not messy, but you know, not clean. I'm just going to go ahead and do it on my other eye now, just putting it on the outer V, the bottom, and onto the inside of my crease. I'm going to go back into that blending brush and I'm going to go ahead and blend out that color just so that it's seamless and that it's just all blended together. I'm not going to go all the way in with that color either. I'm just going to go right here on the outer V, make sure that there's no line. These colors blend so nicely. So your eyes should be looking like this right now. This base I'm leaving clean and nice. I'm not going to put any more concealer or anything else. I'm just gonna let that be, not dramatic at all, just a light wash of color. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a makeup wipe. I'm gonna wrap my finger around it, and I mentioned this step in my New Year's Eve look. This is the step that helps me get that clean cut line here, and you know, this is why I'm here teaching you guys how to do eyeliner, how I do my eyeliner, and what's easier for me, and hopefully it's easier for you guys. So wrap your finger around a makeup wipe and just go ahead and clean up and create a straight line. Straight line to the tail of your eyebrow. That's basically my guided line. When you're cleaning up the bottom, right there, making sure that's nice and clean. Voila, immediately your eye already looks lifted, clean and nice, and here it'll give you a nice structure line to go ahead and do eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to this eye. You're basically connecting dots. So from here to the bottom, right where my outer corner is, take that line towards the tail of my eyebrow and clean it, and there you go. So now I'm gonna go ahead and with my favorite eyeliner. This eyeliner is super good. I recommend it for beginners who struggle doing eyeliner because this is super easy. It lasts long. This is the Fenty Fly Liner. This is one of my favorite eyeliners. I used to do gel. I feel like it just took too much time and it was more messy. So I went back to pens. I used to use the Kat Von D eyeliner, the tattoo liner, but I usually, when I do my makeup, my eye gets watery here and then it goes away. So I went ahead and got this one, the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner, and just I fell in love with it. First off, I like to start working in the brush, making sure that, you know, it's not dried out or anything. I'm gonna go ahead and literally follow that exact same line that I just created. And it's all to personal preference. I don't like my eyeliner super long and dramatic. I usually like to keep it medium, thin. Okay, and I'm using a light hand. Follow that line. And I usually like to go right where my crease is at, maybe a little lower, sometimes depending on the mood I'm in. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect to my eye. I usually go right below, just so that it's already pointy. Right below, like this, right there. Close my eye and drag it down. And I'd like to just place the pen lightly right on my eye, like there you go. Like that. And fill in that white space. Promise this pen makes it easier to do your eyeliner. And just connect it all together. Okay, and just like, I like to keep it a thin line right here, just so that it's all together. And voila. I think that took about like 3 minutes to do. Perfect. And once it's filled in, I like to look in the mirror, make sure that everything is just straight, colored in. There you go. You know, there's no empty spaces. And what I definitely recommend is not to overthink it. Don't overthink the eyeliner. Like, just let it be. If you think it's too thick, it's not, okay? Like, really, just let it be, let it flow, and that's it. That's it for that eye. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye the same exact way. Follow the line. Right there. Connect, and always use like a light hand. If you use too heavy, too much product comes out, then you're screwed. So just go ahead and fill in that line. Like it right there, I gotta connect it again. Perfect. That's basically how I do my eyeliner. It's pretty easy. It takes about, you know, 2 minutes each eye. And usually after I'm done, I like to just clean it up here, making sure that there's no like dark spots or like spots that maybe like I accidentally did. My next step is to put on eyelashes. I think I'm gonna use Lily Lashes in Miami, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes, put these on, and I will be right back. So I put on my Lily Lashes. This is Miami. And one thing, before you finish off your eye look, always go ahead and go over the strip of the eyelash with your pencil or whatever you use for eyeliner, just so that the glue, when the glue dries, you can see it a bit on the eyeliner. So go ahead and just go over that line, the eyelash strip, just to cover it up. And these are my favorite lashes because they kind of flare out, so it makes my eye look more cat eye-ish. For the bottom, for my lash line, I'm going to do exactly what I did to the top. Go into a Morphe M152, back into Caramelo, drag that lightly on my lash line. Not too much because we want the liner to stand out, and this is kind of like a very simple everyday look, I would say, if you're just trying to rush out of the house, whatever. And I love this brush because it's so compact, literally fits in my hand. I don't have to hold it like this. I'm gonna go into Cafecito, just a tad bit, and only put that on my outer corner. Blend it out. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and use a highlighter. This is Dose of Colors Fuego Highlight with the collaboration with Desi and Katie, with a Morphe M506. Gonna just put that in my inner corner, just to add a pop. Now to completely finish off this look, I'm gonna go ahead and just add mascara to my bottom lashes. Alright you guys, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you guys learned something today on how to do your eyeliner. I promise you, doing the white bead trick will work. It'll help you get a good eyeliner, get a pencil, whatever is going to work for you, whatever you prefer. If you guys do enjoy these tutorials, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below what else you guys want to learn, what other looks you guys want me to do. Subscribe to my channel. We've reached 100,000 followers and thank you guys so much. I'm so excited. I know it may seem like a little bit because there's like YouTubers that have millions, but this is a huge accomplishment for me. So thank you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you guys know each time that I upload, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.